His Excellency the President and First Secretary of the ruling party ZANU-PF, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, is now addressing the Central Committee members. Nizarabena mashoko kubuda panguva ina konzi mutungamiri wenyika President Emerson Mnangagwa woadresa the Central Committee yesterday. Chitiko chionekwa kunzi panguva ino tichiona as the country is mourning Comrade Bombshell akuti kune ma latest updates atawana from newzimbabwe.com pamwe chete nezimceleb. Aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe iri kubatikana kwazvo. Noriwa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pana pamwe kuda nyika mchinzi. Number 1. This strategic seminar is convened to strengthen and broaden our leadership capacity, ideological understanding, and enforce collective responsibility. We have the inherent responsibility to unite our people. Our actions and decisions have a ripple effect on our party. We must question ourselves whether we are loyal and patriotic in dealing with the masses. The party is bigger than us Central Committee members. It is pleasing that the program covers a wide array of issues. The Central Committee occupies a pivotal position in our party. This is the principal organ between congresses. This organ is mandated to supervise and superintend over the implementation of programs in government. We are custodians of party discipline. The seminar must enrich us with requisite skills to effectively discharge our duties. We must offer actionable recommendations on how to grow our membership. Use the media to promote unity of purpose. Leadership is not conferred by position alone. Party and national constitution are complementary instruments. The party and government collaboration must be people-centered. Central Committee leaders must always promote the philosophy that Zimbabwe is friends to all and enemy to none. ZANU-PF remains a party of results. We have zero tolerance to corruption. Ndo ina address yetu ni mtungamiri wenyika pina comment section medu za funguro aim to pamusoro pachitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.